We'll guide you through how to download and install Modrinth for mods and modpacks. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you tried getting modpacks or mods before and you struggled. Well, with Modrinth, it makes it so quick and convenient. You can quickly go and get modpacks as well as make your own modpacks and play with mods as well. So we're guiding you through this step by step. Make sure this full guide and don't skip anything as we're covering important information throughout this whole video. So without any further ado, let's go and get started with this. So what we can do is come and close out of Minecraft. I'll pause the game, press save and quit to title and press quit game. We can close out of the launcher as well. Now what you can do is you can go and open up a web browser of your choice. I'll go and use Chrome, but it doesn't matter. Now just before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsor of this video, Apex Hosting. If you're looking for a Minecraft server to play with your friends, check out the link down below in the pinned comment and the description. At the moment, you can get yourself a discount as well. We can scroll down and we can go and start checking out some of their great features like a free subdomain, unlimited slots, 24/7 server support so you can get the help anytime you need it, and automated backups as well. So it's definitely worth going and checking them out. A big thanks to them for sponsoring this video. But to continue with the guide, what we're going to do is go and search for Modrinth like so. You want to come to the official site, modrinth.com. Here we are. So you can just go and discover mods and content on Modrinth. But in this case, we're getting the Modrinth app. It makes things so much easier and I think it's way more convenient. So at the top, you'll go and see the option for Get Modrinth app. You can click there and you want to find the button, Download Modrinth app. Click on it. You'll go and see it will start downloading. It's been blocked, but we can click on it. I've had it before, it's saved. So we'll press download unverified file and now it's downloaded. So what we can now do is we can go and open up our file explorer. Click on it and we'll go straight to our downloads, press downloads here. And here is Modrinth. So then what you can do is go and double click on it like so, and you'll get this app set up here and we can start the guide. So press next, then you can press next, and then it's going to go and complete. Very quick and easy. Press next. We can go and run it and have the desktop shortcut. I won't have that, but you can choose them and press finish. Now it should automatically go and launch. It shouldn't go and take too long, just be patient, and it's going to pop up as you can see. Now, as you can see, if we look in the top right here, we go and choose our account. So if you haven't got yours there, I'm just going to show you how you can do it from scratch or remove mine. Press select account, and then you can press login. We'll go and get this pop up here. And what you can then do is choose your account, and we can then go and get our password here. Let me go and enter mine in now. We'll go and press sign in, and we should shortly then be successfully signed in. I won't go and do the passkey, press cancel. And now we're successfully signed in, as you can see. So now we've signed in. You do need to go and have a Minecraft account for this and go and own it. So that's why you have to go and sign in there. We can go and get started with using it. So if you come to the left, we can go and see discover content. You then got skins and you've got your library. They're the main things we're going to be starting with. So what you can do is you can go and press discover content like so, and you can go and select modpacks. So you can just go and get modpacks here. So as an example, let's say I wanted to go and get Fabulously Optimized. This is a great way of running Minecraft in an optimized way. You can go and press install to the right like so. I want to go and show you how you can go and make your own as well. We'll cover that in a moment. So you can now go and see that it's downloading. Just go and be patient. Some of these mod packs are going to have a lot of mods. I'm talking hundreds in some case. So it can take a bit of time for everything to go and download and install. This looks like it's not taking too long as it's downloading Minecraft now. So you can just be patient. And of course, the slower internet connection you have, the slower it will take. In the meantime, I want to go and show you how you can just go and play with mods to make your own mod pack. So you can go and press discover content to the left. At the top, we can go and press mods. Now, if you've got a mod in mind you want to go and use, we can go and search at the top, or you can just scroll through and find one. So let's go and say I want to go and play with Egg Zero's minimap. You could go and create it. So we just go and play with this one mod, or we can add multiple as well. So I'll press add to an instance. You get this pop up. Now it's going to say about adding it, but what we're going to do is create a new one, and you can choose an icon. You don't have to, and give it a name. So I'm going to name this example and then press create. Go and wait. So now what's going to happen is essentially we're making a mod pack or an instance just with Egg Zero's minimap. Now what you can do is start adding more, press install content, and you can start adding more mods. The great thing about this is going to go and then show you more mods and add-ons we can go and get here. So it's going to show us more APIs and other things, and these are going to be compatible, and it's going to go and use the correct mod loader and also the correct version as well, which is really convenient. So it makes it just really easy to go and use. So for example here, let's say I wanted to go and add in some shaders. I could go and get sodium. I'll press install. And that is actually just part of it. We also need to have iris, so I'll press install there as well. And then at the top here, you can go and look at resource packs, data packs, and shaders. So we can really do so much with the use of Modrinth. So let's go and say I wanted to get complementary shaders. I'll install these. Literally the click of a button, we're installing these. And if you tried to do this before without Modrinth, you probably know that it's quite a lengthy process in order to go and do this. So you go and get the idea here, and we can actually go and see our different packs by pressing library to the left in all instances. So you can see the one that's I made, and the one we just downloaded was Cobblebon. Now, just before we launch these, what we can do here is you can go to the bottom left and you can go and press settings. Come down the list and you want to press default instant options. Now here we can go and see memory allocated. So this is going to be the amount of memory that's allocated. If you're using Modpacks, it's likely you're going to need to increase this. So you can go and check how much your computer's got by pressing search at the bottom. You can type in Task Manager, and in here you can then go and press performance to the left. You can expand this menu pressing the 3 lines in the top left and come and click on memory. You can see here I've got 32 gigabytes. You shouldn't give more than 50% of your RAM to one. So in this case, I've got 32, so I wouldn't give more than 16. But honestly, you don't really need to allocate more than about 8,000-ish to Minecraft. So that's going to be a sweet spot. Often Modpacks will go and tell you if they need more anyway though. So 8,000 is a good amount in my opinion, and we can then close out of this. So now we can go and start playing these. So let's go and start with our one we did. So we did our example one, so I can press play here. Shortly it's going to go and load. So just go and wait. What's going to happen is you're going to go and see the Minecraft launcher going to appear. So we'll go and wait for that. Here we are, it's now loaded. I'll just double click to make it full screen and press continue. And then we can go and press single player. And I'm just going to go and create a new world for this. I don't have any here anyway. So if I go and look in the top left, we can go and see the map. And I can go and enable shaders by pausing the game, pressing options, and then video settings. I can go and find shader packs to the left, and that is when we add it in. We can go and click on it and press apply. And as you can see, we're now using shaders. It's that simple. So you can get the idea. And of course, you can go and create more packs in different instances yourself. And you can go and run the Cobblebon one. That's one we also got as well. Press play there. And of course, you can go and discover more content and more mod packs here as well. That's it. Hopefully now you're using Modrinth and you can go and play mod packs and use it for other mods as well. The great thing about Apex Hosting, the sponsor of this video, is you can go and easily install mod packs as well with just a few clicks. So make sure you go and check them out, link down below. A big thanks to them for sponsoring this video. If you have any video suggestions, feel free to put them down below. I look forward to help you again in the future. Consider subscribing and liking the video. Goodbye for now.